How to add or remove objects from blocks in Autocad. Solution. This feature is controlled by Refset command. You can add and remove objects from reference editor by the help of this command. This command works only in the in-place reference editor. To enter into the reference editor, use Refedit command. Add option of Refset command can adds the objects to the current block objects. Remove option of Refset command can removes the objects from the current block objects. See how it works. First we create some objects. Now make a block of rectangle only. Select rectangle only. Run Refedit command and select the just created block. Here you entered in editor mode. Now run Refset command and select the add option first. Select the circle to include in the block. Here you can see that the circle color is changed and included in block. Run Ref close command to save the changes. Click OK to save the changes in graphical area. Now select the rectangle. Here you can see that the circle is also selected as it is included in block. Now we see second case. Draw some objects and make a block of both objects. Select both rectangle and circle this time. Run Refedit command and select the just created block. In editor mode, run Refset command. Select remove option. Select the circle and press enter. Here you can see that the circle color is changed as excluded from block. Run Ref close command to save the changes. Click OK to save the changes in graphical area. Now select the rectangle. Here you can see that the circle is not selected. And it's selected separately, as it was removed from block.